Hi Gorgies, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your boyfriend, your husband, your girlfriend, your wife, side person. We are very inclusive in this channel. We're very inclusive. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you are keeping safe, washing your hands, and staying indoors. To the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining this family. Guys, we are growing. Welcome to the Gorgie family, and I hope you guys will enjoy the content and that you will stick around. To all my OG Gorgies, thank you so much for being a part of this family. Thank you so much for engaging. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment down below if you have learned anything or if you have any questions. Also, do not forget to check out the description box to see what products I have used in this video. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so just to give you a background on this video, for those of you that were on my live yesterday, you would have seen that I was live with Usbongile Magenuka. She has a YouTube channel. I'll be leaving her link to her channel in the description box as well. Do follow her on Instagram, Sbongile Magenuka, and do subscribe to her channel. So Sbongile was teaching me how to do eyeshadows, and we did it. It was a great success. I really loved the final look, so I figured that I'd come here and recreate it for those of you guys that have missed it. Although if you do want to watch the actual live, it is in my IGTV on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on the socials at Khanyi_Madikiza, Khanyi Madikiza on Facebook, and at Khanyi_Madikiza on Twitter. So you will find the live in my IGTV. It was too long, so it had to go on IGTV. I hope you guys will go ahead and watch it. But anyway, enough of that. I am doing a recreation of the look by myself with no one coaching me. Hopefully I will remember all the teachings from yesterday, so you guys can be the judge of that. You can tell me in the description box when I get the final look if I'm a 1 or if I'm, well, 1 between 10. Rate me 1 between 10. So comment down below with your rating of how I have done in achieving this recreation look. First things first, she did say you start by cleaning your working area. So I'm going to use this brush, which already has a little bit of concealer because I was using it for my face. You start by patting out and making sure that the area you're going to work in has no creases and it is nicely blended. I'm going to show you guys on one eye. I think I should do one eye first, and then otherwise this video would be super long. So I'm going to do one eye and then do the other eye off camera and come back and show you the final look. When that's fully blended, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder, because she said you want a nice, clean, smooth working area so that you know that your eyeshadow will blend seamlessly. So I'm applying this powder. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. There were so many funny moments. I was so excited, guys, by the fact that I knew like what to do, or because like I could see that, oh my gosh, what I'm doing is actually working. It was exciting. Okay, I think my working area is all good. I'm going to start now by using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using my Juvia's Palace Nomad palette. The color that I'm going to start with is this color over here. So with this color, you apply it at the end there, and you bring it in sort of like a smooth motion, because you're applying it just above your crease. This will be your transition color. So for transition colors, she said that you need a lighter color that will help you, that will help blend into your other colors, or your other colors blend into it. Also, the reason why you must use different brushes is so that you can go back on the specific colors and make sure that they're showing up, because you don't want to lose them as you go. The nice thing about the palette I'm using also is that it's very pigmented. Can't see it yet, but it's coming through. You can't see it on camera, but I can see it here on the mirror. I can see the color coming through, guys. I'm so proud that I actually know how to do this. The important thing here is the blending. Make sure you are blending. So you're going in circular motions. Another tip that she gave me was that you must hold your brush from here, because if you hold it here, you're basically taking off whatever you're doing, and you're also going to blotch. But if you hold it from far away, you are making sure that there's a seamless blend. Next brush I'm using is also a fluffy brush, but it's much smaller, and I'm going to be using this. It's more densely packed actually. It's not necessarily much smaller, but it's more densely packed. So next up, I'm going into the Warrior palette. I'm going to be using this brown over here as my crease color. So you're applying this just below that transition color. And now I'm going to go into the same palette, but I'm going to use that darker brown in the outer corners of my eye. So you pack that in densely. Just keep packing it in the corner and be generous. This is what it's looking like so far. And then you go in with a clean brush and you bring that halfway while you're blending. Halfway. Not all the way down, but halfway through. This is helping to deepen your crease. It's all about blending, all about blending. I'm experiencing a little bit too much fallout, so I've decided to put some powder under my eye. Still blending out that color. It's not showing up as nicely on camera, but I can see it in person. So I'm going to the brown, making sure it's not lost. Going into that first transition color, making sure everything is blending in. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using my flat brush and my Juvia's Palace concealer. Just going to put some of that over here. And I'm going to go ahead and put my mirror below me and cut where I want my crease to be. If you want to, you can always go a little bit above where your normal crease is, so that the color shows, or the cut crease actually shows. So I'm going to go above. And now once your concealer starts getting a little bit tacky, you want to quickly go in and apply your cut crease color. For my cut crease color, I'm still on the Warrior palette, and I'm going in with this color over here. The name of the shade is called Ahosi. I'm using a small brush to apply that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a bigger, fluffier brush to help me blend that in properly. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna go back into my dark brown color. Gonna go back into that almost black color, and I'm gonna try to blend it into my cut crease color so that I do not have harsh lines. Now going back into my lighter color with this smaller brush to make sure I don't lose it, and also blending out the harsh line in my inner corner. And then just like in the middle of the darker color and the lighter color, I'm going to go in with this silvery color over here. No, actually I'm gonna go in with this one. No, I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go in with this one. The name of the shade is Muremi. And I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Use my finger. And now once more, I'm going back into everything to make sure I haven't lost any colors. And now I'm gonna go in and put some liquid liner. Hante, she's stunning. I'm gonna go off and put on my eyelashes, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Yo guys, I have a totally newfound respect for every single person who does eyeshadow looks on their tutorials, or like just when they're going somewhere on the daily. It's a lot of work, sis. It's a lot of work. I respect you guys. I appreciate you guys. Yo, I don't know, hey, I don't know if I would be able to do this every day or like every single tutorial, because I'm tired. Anyway, this is the final look. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but this is the final look, guys. I followed Sibongile's tips, and I think I did well. I'm not sure. Let me know. So rate me down below between 1 and 10 what you think. And don't worry, I won't be offended. I know that this is not my territory, so I won't be offended. But rate me from a 1 to 10 and let me know how I did. Let me just show you again. Let me know how I did. I think like I don't know, I thought it was way easier when I was doing it with her as she was telling me what to do. It seemed like everything was flowing so much easier and the look came out looking bomb, you know. Now today, doing it by myself and thinking about all the things she was saying, I don't know, it just kind of came out different. I think it still looks nice. I don't know if it's coming off as what I'm seeing off camera, but it looks bomb. It looks gorgeous. I'm just like, yo, it's a lot of work. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how you are rating me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being part of this family, and do stick around. I'll see you guys in my next video.